Hey guys, it's Elementals here. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I got dudes. Yeah. Shit, my head looks all derpy and shit. Alright, let's call them. What the fuck is it today? Alright, go. Fuck. Yeah, today I will be talking about myself a little bit. Just a little bit. Then we were talking about if I could talk to animals, what would I say? Alright, I'm 15. Try to do it down. I don't want to say my name because my real name actually because it's really Mexican. I don't like it at all. It's terrible. Uh, yeah. Well, I'm old. I live in Hayward, California. I have basic bitch hair. If you could tell, if you couldn't tell already, and I'm a little basic for the fucking stretching loads and shit. You feel? All right, whatever. I guess we'll get off that topic for a little bit now, for the rest of the time. And then if I could talk to animals, I would tell them to. I tell birds to shit on people. 'Cause birds shit on people and that shit gets people annoyed. And then dogs make them chase. Like the big dogs, not little chihuahuas. Chihuahuas don't do shit. I have a chihuahua. And then like like a pit bull, make them chase the person. And then what else? I can control a lion that'd be raw. Like I wouldn't do anything to people, but just have it. That'd be chill. It's like, hey, you stay here. And I mean, the topic wasn't about controlling them, but I'd talk to them, make them control. I'd control them. I'm a controlling person. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go, guys.